Have you ever seen a minute repeater in your life?
No.
A minute repeater, it's even more complicated than a tourbillon.
Yeah.
So a minute repeater, it tells time with sound, bro. So I'm gonna show you, right? So right now on the watch, it says 10:13.
Yeah.
Right? So the first bell you hear is gonna be the hours. You should hear 10 bells. Then the second bell, it goes by the quarter of the hour. So the second bell will go 15, 30, 45, and then it'll chime one time for each minute after the quarter. You feel me?
Yeah.
So now listen, okay? It's 10:14, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's gonna go 14 times.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's crazy, bro.